Happy New Year, YouTube family, my YouTube family. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Hope you are all doing great. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to share my video. Share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please, turn it on so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch, guys. Yeah, so in today's video, right now, also I'm supposed to go out. Yeah, I'm supposed to go out, and my hair, as you can see, my hair is not in good condition. So I started thinking, what can I do with my hair? What can I do? And it was urgent. I'm supposed to go out. So I thought of doing Bantu knots. I don't know how you pronounce it. Yeah, but I guess you understand and you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So right now, I combed my hair and started parting it into small parts. Yeah, so this is the first step in doing band knots, and I'm not using any crochet hook. So if you don't have it, this is the best way of doing it. Yeah, so right now I'm just doing the down part, and I will do the all head in this same process. I'll do this same process on my whole head. Yeah, sorry guys, explaining is a bit, yeah, but I guess you understand. Please watch this video till the end. Watch it, and don't forget to share it, guys. Please share it to your friends, everyone who is interested. Please share it. Yeah, then I went out. My phone went off. I did everything, my down part I finished, and I didn't have any braiding hair. Yeah, I don't have any braiding hair. So I thought of using what's the name of this wig? I've forgotten. Soft braid. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm using soft braid to do this band knots. Yeah, as you can see right now, I'm trying to braid it. Yeah, I'm trying to braid it. From there, after braiding it, I will start twisting it. After twisting it, I'll try to I will start making it round. I guess I hope you understand, guys. But the good part is that you are seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, even if you don't understand what I'm saying, at least you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm trying to make it round, and your button knot is done, guys. Make sure don't pull your head, guys. Don't pull. Be gentle with your head. The mine is something else. I wasn't even pulling, but say how my skin is looking behind there. Yeah, but otherwise, this is it. This is how you are supposed to do. Don't mind how I'm looking, guys. Don't mind. Concentrate on what I'm doing. Yeah. And sorry guys for the background noise. Yeah, this construction. Yeah, they're doing construction, so it's very noisy. I'm done with that one. Remaining the last one. I was excited for this because when I thought of this soft braid, I was like, can I do it? Can it work? And when I saw the part, the first part I did, I was like, wow, let me just do this quickly, yeah, so that we can sorry sorry about that, so that we can move. Yeah, so right now I'm doing the last part. As you can see, I'm trying to braid it a bit, the done part, braiding it. From there you twist it. Yeah, when twisting it, that's when it will start going round and round and round. So this is it. I'm trying to make it round, and your Bantu knot is done. Guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Please, if you have any suggestion, your suggestions are welcome, guys. Now, your suggestions are welcome. Right now, I was thinking, let me finish fast, let me finish fast, let me finish fast. I was tired. I was very tired. Yeah, so this is it. See my face, my perfect face. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it looks. Yeah, so it's like, no, this hair can't just be like this. Let me try to do something on the side so that it can look stylish. Yeah, you just have to make it stylish. If you want, you can add accessories on your hair after you're done, but I don't have. That's the reason why I didn't put. But if you have them, you can put and it will look gorgeous. Yeah, I was struggling with the last one. I was struggling, and I was done. Thank God. Guys, don't mind my explanation. I just realized that there are past tense, present tense in this video, so don't mind. Please, oh, don't mind. Yeah, so this is the stylish thing I was talking about on the side. Yeah, for it at least to look stylish. As a girl, you need to look stylish. Yeah. So when I was done, I'm done. Then I went off camera, did my makeup, looked cute, and yeah. Then I'm done with my makeup. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'm feeling myself. Yeah, feeling beautiful, feeling gorgeous, ready to go out. Yeah, yes, girl, you look beautiful. Yeah, please, guys, tell me what you think about this hairstyle. If you like it, kindly hope you try it out. Yeah, and yeah, I was just feeling myself. Yes, girl. Yes, go, girl. Yeah, so I've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. Please, guys, tell me what you think about this hairstyle by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Let's interact. I love you all and thank you for your support. Yeah, so you go is done, ready to go out. Bye, see you in my next one.